When you love cooking, you buy lots of spices which you keep in your pantry and use whenever you are cooking. But in this case, we're going to be making 2 herbal teas. That is peppermint tea and fennel seed tea, which are going to be very easy and simple. And each recipe is going to have only 2 ingredients. The first recipe, we're going to be making peppermint tea, and you'll need 4 sprigs of fresh peppermint. If you don't have the fresh peppermint, you can use dried. Also, you need some honey and water. The recipe is that simple. In a small pot over medium flame, you're going to add in 2 cups of water. Make sure it's nice and clean because you don't want to add in some dirt or bugs into the water. Then you're going to wait for everything to come to a boil. Reduce the flames to low and simmer for around 1 to 2 minutes so that the peppermint can infuse in the water. Peppermint is a herb that has a very strong flavor and has a couple of benefits. For example, if you're suffering from bloating or indigestion, this is the perfect tea for you because it's going to improve digestion and yeah, everything will be perfect. Also, it helps. Also, if you are suffering from a cold or a cough and your chest is congested, take a cup of this tea and yeah, it will open up your chest and breathing will be normal. And also it has anti-inflammatory properties together with antibacterial, which means this tea is going to be so good. Once done serving up your peppermint tea, this is how it's going to be looking. So we're going to go to the next recipe, which is going to be fennel tea. And you're going to need some fennel seeds and water. So I'm going to keep my peppermint tea aside. And place a pot over medium flame. You're going to need a teaspoon of dried fennel seeds and 2 cups of water. Into your pot, you're going to add in 2 cups of water. Add in your fennel seeds. You're going to wait for around a minute so that the water can come to a boil. Then you're going to reduce the flames to low and simmer for around 10 minutes so that the fennel seeds can infuse together with the water. Fennel seeds is a very aromatic spice that is used in cooking, and also you can make some tea, which is perfect whenever you're bloating, having indigestion, and also it relieves menstrual cramps. When your tea is ready, you're going to serve with some honey, which is going to add in sweetness. As you can see, both teas have a greenish hue color, and the fennel seed tea is a little bit strong more than the peppermint tea. But that's not the point. The point here is to improve your digestion, that is if you're bloating and having indigestion. Also, you can double or even triple the ingredients to make some more, which you can meal prep, keep in the fridge in an airtight jar or container, and it's going to remain fresh up to a week. Catch you on my next episode.